Good afternoon, students. Good afternoon, sir. Today we are sitting here with a purpose that we are going to discuss and learn the algebraic identities. Okay. In mathematics, identity. The meaning of the identity means identity is a mathematical statement. Okay, which remain always true irrespective of person, place, and time. That is called identity. So we have so many algebraic identities. Okay, just Arpita, one identity which you have studied. A plus b whole square is equal to
A square plus B square plus 2AB.
a plus b plus a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, so here we are going to study the geometrical meaning of algebraic identities. Okay, what is the actual geometrically how we are going to please sit down, how we are going to represent the algebraic identities geometrically. That's what we are going to discuss. Okay, so let's come here. Now we see here square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, right. Now we are going to learn the geometrical meaning of this identity. So the a square, the first part of a square, we are going to study this concept with a lot of activities. So part is a square. A square, what does it indicate, Karthik? A square?
Area of a square.
Area of a square. What is its side?
A.
A. So a square means the first part is it's the area of a side. Okay, that's good. Sit down. Area of a side whose area of a square, sorry, whose side is a units. Okay, so let us take this is a square. Okay, this is a square, its side is a. Now next second part is b square. Okay, so Hani, what is b square?
So the area of this
Area of a square whose side is
B.
b. So that's good. Sit down. So b square means it is the area of a square whose side is b. That is the geometrical meaning of the b square. Okay. Algebra we are relating to geometry. Okay. B square we have here. We have b square here. This is b square whose side is b. B square side is b units. Okay. Third part. Third part. What is the third part, please?
Rectangle.
Rectangle. It's a rectangular area of the rectangle.
Area of rectangle and there are two
Simultaneously, we can see here what we have. We'll come to that. So it is a AB. AB means it's the area of the rectangle. Its length is what is the length of the rectangle, Mr. Rajesh? B. What is the breadth of the rectangle? A. Okay. So we have a rectangle. Of course, its length is B and breadth is A. So that's good. Sit down. Good. Thank you. So its area is, you know, that we have one more rectangle. We have one more rectangle here. This is going to be the second rectangle, whose area is again AB. This is also AB. So we have 2AB. Now we'll see we got a big square. Okay. Suhani, what is the side length of this square?
A plus B
A plus B
whole square.
whole square. A plus B whole square is the area of this square. What is the side of this square? Big square.
A plus B.
A plus B. From here to here, this is A. From here to here,
B.
B. Okay. A plus B. And its area is A plus B whole square. Now you have some material with you. Okay. Just can you, when we say A square plus B square, square means putting together. Okay. So take up A square. This one is B square, and this is what is right. So this your group did this one. So your group number is second group. Right. So this is you did XY. This is x square. What is this? Y square. I would like to ask how you are going to prove. Here you can see this one. Whatever we did. This is a square. What is this? And AB. That's what a plus b whole square is called. Now I would like to ask you a wonderful question. How you are going to prove the algebraic identity a minus b whole square? A minus b whole square. Let's start with it. One of you, please. A minus b whole square. Yes, Manasya. A square. Yes.
Minus 2.
Minus 2ab. How you are going to prove it geometrically? I mean, how you are going to understand it? Change the arrangement. You go for a minus b whole square. Yes, yes. A minus b whole square. We have a square. I will show this one. You do yourself. A square plus b square minus 2ab. A square plus b square. All right. Yeah. Then minus 2ab. Minus 2ab. How you are going to do minus 2ab here? A square x square plus y square. Remove from a square plus b square. Now this is a square, this is b square. From here you have to remove.
They have to remove 2ab from a plus b also.
No, you have to remove. See, a square plus b square minus 2ab. You see the second one. This is a square and this is b square. So putting together a square and b square, we are putting together means a square plus b square. Okay. We have to subtract what? We have to subtract ab, 2ab. Okay. So I reach here. This one is ab for me. See, this breadth is b, right? Length is a. So we have to subtract, na? I subtract like this. Subtract means just cover with this one. So whatever the purple color is there, it is subtracted. Okay. And that is AB. We have one more AB, right? AB to be subtracted. Am I right? This is one more AB. Okay. I subtract like this. This color is removed. I mean to say this is removed. Okay. So what is left? This is how much? A. Now this is how much?
A minus B.
A minus B. So this is how much?
A.
So this is removed. B is removed. So this is how much?
A minus B.
So we are left with a square or not?
Yes, sir.
What is its side, Mr. Yes. What is its side? Sajan Singh. A minus B. A minus B. So what is its area? Tell me, Suhani. We are left with Suhani. Area of this, this is left. Okay. What is the area of this figure? A minus B. A minus B whole square. Okay. How we got it, Shashank? Please sit down.
By subtracting the
Portion.
2ab.
2ab. From where?
A square plus
See, again you can see. What was there first in the beginning? What was there? It is a square plus b square. And we subtracted. What we subtracted, Shashank?
2ab.
2ab. So we got
A minus b also.
a minus b whole square. That's why a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus. Now tell me how we will prove, how we will understand a plus b plus c whole square. Okay, Shashank, sit down. So what is it? A plus b plus c whole square geometrical, the third one. So you have material with you. Now arrange for this second one quickly. A minus b whole square. Tell me which is a square? A square, okay. A square, okay.
We subtracted 2ab.
What?
A minus b whole square.
Okay. Right. Yourself. Which is x square? Where is x square? This is x square. Which is x square? Okay.
Twice. We subtracted 12.
Then this is how much?
20.
This is how much?
X minus.
This one?
X minus.
Third one. A plus b plus c whole square. You arrange for that. What is a plus b plus c whole square? B plus c whole square is equal. Tell me. Okay. Okay. Plus c square. Okay. plus AB 2AC 2AC okay plus BC 2AC 2BC. Arrange for that. You have to get a square again. Explain. Where is a square? Okay. Where is this? Okay.
Sir, this is side B.
Oh.
Sir, this is C. Sir, area BC.
Okay.
Sir, it is also line B.
Okay.
Sir, side is D. Sir, side is C. Sir, because parallel. Sir, area is BC. Sir, it is also
Right. Is it a square or rectangle?
square.
Square. What is its side?
Sir, A plus B plus C.
Yes.
B plus C.
Good. Yourself? You got a square or rectangle? Square. What is its side? Okay, right. Yourself correct. You need to a square, B square, there is C square. Take two students from any group willingly. Good. Tell what is this? Okay. This is okay. AB plus AB. Okay. And they are putting this. Let them also see. Where is BC? Okay. Good. So very good. Class one. This is group. Okay. Same thing you can see on the board here. Is visible to you? Yes, sir. Visible? Yes, sir. A plus B plus C whole square. Okay. So right. Now we'll go for let it be here. Good. Congratulations. Very good. Now we'll go for one solid shape. Okay, that solid shape is A plus B plus C, not A plus B whole cube. Okay, so what is it? A plus B whole cube. Right. A plus B whole cube. What is A plus B whole cube? Take out the cubes. Here we have A plus B plus whole cube. Okay. Right here, right. A plus B whole cube. This is the fourth one. C4. What is A plus NC? Tell me what is A plus B whole cube? A cube plus 3 B okay. Okay, very good. Plus B cube. So you have cubes, no? So what and all you observe and you just how you are going to geometrically understand this. Okay, you also have to disprove. First do it. Now A plus B whole cube. Okay. Yes, it's a really challenging. I feel. How do you feel? देखो इसको कैसे करना है? A plus B whole cube. No, I am not going to help you. What you have you observe. Okay. Earlier you are constructing so many houses with this. हाँ? घर बना रहे हैं, कुछ गुड़िया बना रहे हैं, सब बना रहे हैं. This is what? It's a cube. Okay. Let's. इसका side is A. So it becomes. What is its volume? A cube. Okay. Now, देखो. This is also cube. So let its side is B. So इसका वॉल्यूम कितना होगा? B क्यूब. अभी मैं इनको हिंट दिया मैंने. A क्यूब है, B क्यूब है. क्या क्या है फार्मूला में देखो. फार्मूला को ज्योमेट्रिकली कैसे समझना है? Place means what? Place means what? What is the meaning of place? Addition. Pictures को क्या करना है? Adding means bringing together. I'll give you 1 minute time. Think and do it. 1 minute time. Yes, yes. Means putting together. Place का मतलब very good, very good. ये क्या है? समझाओ. Explain. Sir, can you remove and put again? Okay. A square. Cube. Okay. What is this? Cuboid. What is its volume? What is its volume? इसका वॉल्यूम कितना है? Cube means it is cube, na? Cuboid. You did correctly, but you are the explainer. Use all the items. Nothing should be left. You did very good. Explanation. Okay. Once you remove and tell. Yes, yes. Turn this one. Tell. A cube. Okay. Good. What is this? What is its volume? B square. B square is area, no? Not volume. 3AB square. Okay. 3AB square is right. This is how much? Yeah. This is how much? This is how much? No, see. You only. This is actually this is A. This is B. And this is also B. So what is its volume? It's a cuboid or cube? Cuboid. What is its volume? 3A square B. Okay. 3A square. 3AB square. Not 3AB square. AB square only. A into B into B. Okay. Right. So next this one. What about this one? What about this one? Think. Yes. Explanation.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Volume is
A cube is just divide.
Sir, this is also it.
Okay.
Sir,
What is its volume?
sir, this is another cube.
Okay.
Sir, its side is B.
Okay.
Sir, volume is B.
Sir. Good.
Sir, this is equal. Sir,
Okay,
so
okay.
sir, इसका
Volume.
volume is A square B.
A square, right. A into B. Okay, right. Very
Sir,
good.
these are trees.
Okay.
Sir, equal.
Very good.
Sir, area is 3 square B.
Volume.
Sir, volume is
3 times.
3
Okay.
times. Sir,
This is how much?
sir, this is sir B.
Okay.
Sir, because equal, sir.
Okay.
And sir, this is A.
Okay.
Sir, sir, volume is A B square.
Okay,
Sir,
good.
put
Okay. Good. Most of you are able to arrange. Okay. You are forming a cube. A plus B whole cube. Okay. A plus B whole cube. But you are unable to explain. Once you see this is a cube whose side is A. So what is its volume? A cube. Now this is a cube whose side is B. So what is its volume? A cube. Okay. So I took A cube and B cube. Now you see this one. Okay. This one. This is A because this is A. No? You can check yours. A. So its length is A. What about its breadth? No. Breadth. Breadth is also A. Breadth is A. What about its height? Its length is how much? Breadth is what is its breadth height? So what is its volume? A into B. A square B. So like that we are taking 3. This is a square b, a square b, a square b becomes what? 3a square b we have in the formula. We have in the formula what we have? A cube we have. So this is a cube. We have a cube. We have b cube. In the formula do we have b cube? This is b cube. Do we have 3a square b? This is 3a square b. Now this one we will see one part. Okay. So this is what is its length? Breadth?
B.
Height?
B.
So what is its volume? 3
AB square.
AB square. Okay. 3AB square. Okay. So like this we are taking 3. This is 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. So this is
AB square.
only 1 means it is AB square. 3 means
AB square.
3AB square. So we have A cube, we have B cube, we have B cube, we have what? And if you put all together, what we have to get? A plus B whole cube. This is like this. We put like this. This is A na? We put like this. What is the new breadth? This is AB. And this is the length. Okay. This is the length. We put one, like this. So already from here to here it is. Here to here is A. So we put here. So this is A plus B. Breadth is also A plus B. We have to take height, na? Height like this. Okay. We put on the top. Already height is how much?
A.
What is the height of this?
A.
So we put on the top like this. What is its height?
A
plus B. Okay. Now height is A plus B. Length is A plus B. Breadth is also A plus B. But it is not a cube. So whatever the gap here we have. Okay. Like this. You can try. Already you did. Only you were unable to explain. Okay, put like this. This gap is there. You can put here. You try. I'll come and small gap. You can put this one. This is. So we got. What is the length of this one? What is the breadth? Height. So what is its volume? Whole. How many parts we have in this? What is its length? A plus B. From here to here. Okay, what is its breadth? Height. So its volume. You understood now?
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
You can explain now?
Yes, sir.
The geometrical meaning you understood?
Yes, sir.
Now we'll go for A plus B whole square minus A minus B whole square. A plus B whole square minus A minus B whole square. Okay. So you have material with you. Do you have AB? AB you have. You open this one. This one. Okay. And we are going to study. We are going to understand A plus B whole square minus A minus B whole square. Okay. Yes. Siddharth, what is A plus B whole square minus A minus B whole square? 4? How it is 4AB we have to understand. Okay. Just I'll come to you explain. Yes. Arrangement is correct. Okay, good. You are Anurag. Okay. What is this?
This is A.
What is this?
B.
So what is this length?
A plus B.
So what is this?
A.
What is this?
B.
So what is the length?
A plus B.
So you have a square
A
with
plus
A plus B. Whose side is A plus B? What is its area?
4A.
Area of you got a square, na? It's a square. A plus B whole square. But we want again minus A minus B whole square. And that 4A. That we have to put. You have to. We remove. Okay, we remove.
We remove, it becomes A plus B whole square minus A minus B.
Very good.
This is A minus B whole square.
Okay, A minus B whole square.
These are AB.
Okay. You are able to see.
This is A and this is B. The total length is A plus B.
Okay.
So same there are 4.
Okay.
The area it becomes a square.
Okay.
So the total area is A plus B whole square.
Okay.
Now if you remove this, it becomes A minus B square, means A plus B whole square minus A minus B whole square.
Okay. So what is left? So you have a big square. Okay. So very good. Claps for fifth one. You have big square. This middle one also square. This is A minus B whole square. That means this is A minus B. A minus B. Okay. This is A minus B. So what is this? This is B. B plus A minus B. यहाँ से यहाँ तक क्या है? B and यहाँ से यहाँ तक A minus B. Okay. So B plus A minus B. A plus B. A plus B. So total is how much? A plus B. I tell you again. From here to here it is B. And from here to here it is B plus A minus B. A. Again from here to here B. So A up to this is A plus B. B plus A minus B comes A plus B. So each side is how much? It's a square, side is A plus B. Okay. So A plus B means it is A plus B whole square. So how much we have to subtract? A minus B whole square. From here we subtract, this is A minus B whole square. So how much is left? 4AB. The answer is 4AB. So you can also see, you have one, we also have here. See this one. My dear students, once pay attention here. This is what? This is what? From here to here it is B. This is B. This B plus A minus B. B plus A minus B. Plus B. So it is A plus B length. Same A plus B. Okay. So its area is A plus B whole square. So how much we have to subtract? See here, A plus B whole square minus A minus B whole square. We have to subtract A minus B whole square. So subtracting means this yellow color one I am just blocking this one. That means it is subtracted. So we are left with what? AB plus AB plus AB plus AB. How much? Understand? Last one, last identity. Sixth one. A plus B whole square. Okay, right? Plus A minus B whole square is equal to, okay, A plus B whole square plus A minus B whole square. Manish Verma, what is it? Study in algebra. A plus B whole square plus A minus B whole square. 4AB is this one. Here I change na, this is plus.
2A square plus
2A square plus 2B square. How you are going to understand this one? You have model again, same thing you can use. You can check once and you can go for 6th one. This is A minus B whole square. You have A plus B whole square. Of course, they may not be same. Same length. Same one? Same almost. Okay. You have another model also like this. Yes. What is A plus B whole square? A square plus B square. This is A square. Do you agree with me? Yes. You can also follow. Okay. A square plus B square we have plus 2AB. We have 2AB. This is B. 2A square plus 2B square. 2 a square we should have. Think. Yeah. A square. How is it? This is how is it? This is A square, 2 A square. 2 B square. B square, one more B Check. Yes. Below.
And here is a also a plus b square minus 2ab. Minus 2ab and plus 2ab will be cancelled.
Minus 2ab.
Plus 2ab.
Okay.
So
Where is minus 2ab?
here a minus b whole equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So minus 2ab and plus 2ab will be cancelled. A square plus b square. And here are a square plus b square. So they will become 2a square plus 2b square.
Yeah, I got one good. A square. Yes, bolo.
Yes, sir.
This is B square.
Yes, sir.
This is again B square as AB. A square, AB, and B square. This is A plus B. A plus B. We have again plus. This is how much? A plus B whole square minus A minus B whole square. But instead of A minus B whole square, we can take A minus B whole square means what? A square plus B square. Instead of this, what we can take? We can take A square. I mean to say, come here. This is A minus B whole square. For A minus B whole square, what we can take? Tell me.
A square plus b square.
So we take A square instead of this. Okay? Then we are left with A square. 2A square. Finish? Okay. You can try now. Understood? Is all yours to do? A square. Now tell me, explain. A square. Oh, okay. Okay. You get A square plus B square from your friend.